Hello friends, welcome back. Okay, so now if I go back here, okay, so go back to the theme basics and the template files, and there are other files templates as well. Main is the front page.php. Okay, so in the classic theme, the front page template is always used as a site front page if it exists regardless of what settings on admin settings reading have been set. Okay, and home.php, the home page template is the front page by default. If you do not set WordPress to use a static front page, this template is used to show a latest post. Okay, and if this template is not used, home.php is not available, then it will use the index.php file. Okay, so let me just go here and go to the index.php file. Okay, copy this file here, and then add copy pasting and rename to home.php. Okay, so this is our home page. Okay, and if I simply make sure whether it's loading or not, I'm just commenting this out. Go to the here, go to the home page, and now you can see our content has gone. Okay, so for displaying the list of the blog post, okay, and if you want to have different things other than the index.php file, then you, in that case, you can use the home.php file. Okay, so this home.php file will be loaded if the WordPress has settings that, okay, so homepage will display the latest blog post. Okay, so if I go to the settings here into the backend, go to the reading settings, currently it's set your latest posts. If I say to the static page, then I will simply use the front page here, and for the post page I will use a block page. Okay, so and save a changes. Okay, so now if I go here and reload the page, now you can see this static front page has been used. Okay, because we have said that. But if you do not want to use this one, and if you want to have a the separate like front page.php file, then in that case, or the front template, then in that case, let me just copy this file again, template parts, and then paste. Okay, and I will not, sorry, I have posted into the different, sorry, just a minute, my bad. Let me just delete this one. Go here and then paste. Okay, and rename the file here home copy like to front page.php. Okay, so this front page .php file will be used, and simply let just see how what things has been loaded. So now you can see the front page and then continue reading and everything. Okay, because it uses some other template file to display the content. Okay, but this way, previously we don't have the title and everything, but now we have front page. Okay, so here, whatever the current page is there, you can create your own customized front page for your website. Okay, which won't have a different, either you can manage the page content by having a page into the front end into the admin, else you can use the front page.php file to render the content separately. Okay, so if you go here into the pages, now you can see the front page set it as a front page because we have changed it, and the block page will use as a post page. Okay, so if you go to the block page, here you can see the list of the template files here. Okay, so list of the template files, and here you can also see a title, a blog page. Okay, but if you want to remove this title, you can modify it into the template files. Okay, so this way the front page and home page, or front page.php file, home.php file, and index.php file works. Okay, so this is the main difference of the home page, oh sorry, home.php and front page.php. Okay, and there are multiple files, 404.php. So this template for displaying the 404 pages. So let's say a user is visiting your website and it visiting some URL, but it's not exist, the content do not found, then this 404.php file will be loaded. So if I go here and in the URL bar, if I say like XYZ or something, and okay, it's load. Let me just go to the front page.php. Okay, let me just paste hyphen page. and one, something like, kind of, I think it's a redirecting. Let me just about the test, and again test 1 2 3 or something. I have to change it. Okay, still it's redirecting to the home page. So, but basically, if it's a 404, then simply it will load this template 404. Why? Let me just check why it's not working, or maybe let me just change. No, it's not creating a problem. Or maybe let me go to the blog page, or the template sticky, for example. Go here and then found article, template sticky one, and then, sorry, template sticky one, and add some other random stuff. Now says nothing here, so because I have visited on like wrong, single post URL structure here, so nothing here. And this 404 will be used, this 404.php template, to manage the content. Like if the content node not found, and what you want to display or ask user to search for, or any other thing. So this way, like, you will keep your user engaged to your website. Like if content do not found, then how you can find that content on your website, either through search, or you can provide some important article links or anything which is very important to your website, so that you can use it here. Okay, so you can customize this 404, the 404 content using this template. Okay. um then the archive.php file, so any archive pages will be used to display here. So like post archive file, taxonomy archive file. So if I go here, go to the blog page, here I can see the block image, and this is the categories. So category block, and this is the description of the archive page. Okay, and the list of the, so this is a taxonomy archive page, and for that archive.php template has been used. Okay, so if I do not want to display this archive description, so let me just close this, remove this one. I have to remove it. Okay, and then simply go here and render. The description has been gone. Okay, so this template has been used for the archive pages. Okay, and there are template hierarchy as well. You can, like, archive.php is the main template for all the archive pages, like including the custom post types, or custom taxonomies, or any other archive pages. But if you want to have different archive pages for based on the content type, like different archive template for the post type, different archive template for the taxonomy, that you can also have. Okay, so in the template hierarchy we will learn about it. Okay, so let me just go through the basic templates for quickly. Okay, we have checked the comments.php and other footer and everything. Now we have image.php, so template for displaying the image attachment. So if there are any image attachment, then this template will be used to display that image along with their post meta information or anything about the templates here. Okay, index.php is the main template. This page.php, this template is used to display the pages. Okay, so if I go here about the test, then this template file has been loaded. So if I just simply go here, um let me just here, no, okay, so if I just comment this out. Okay, and if I go here, now you can see we don't have that. Okay, it's content. So this template has been used, page.php, to render the page post type content. Okay, so that we have, if it's page.php do not exist, then it will fall back to the index.php. Okay, then the search.php. Okay, so this search.php is used to for the search results. Okay, so if I do a search here, blog, then this is the results for blog, and the a list of the post based on the search keyword. So to display this, search.php used to display the search results. So you can modify, or you can have a separate layout or design for your search results as well. Okay, so that is, and then search form.php file. So if you want to display the search form, like similarly this one, okay, similar to this one, then it you can use the search, this search form.php file, and this template file will be loaded when the get search form function has been called. Okay, so you can go through it, but currently this is not coming. This is coming from the widget, search widget. Okay, so that's why, and the search form is a different. Okay, then the single.php file we have seen for having a single uh, template file for the single post pages. Okay, and then we talked about rtl.css and style.rtlcss and style.css. Okay, so these are the main, and this screenshot.png is very it's needed, like it's not a compulsory but better to add to display the what is theme look like, the theme screenshot. Okay, so this theme screenshot display into the appearance, go to the themes. Then this here you can see the this screenshot. So this screenshots coming from the this screenshot.png file, and base as a best practice, you need 1200 by 900 size of the image. Okay, so 1200 width and 900 height pixel. So that is the main base practice for the screenshot.png png file. Okay, thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Jai WordPress.